Dr. Jha from Royal Leamington Leamington Spa. Today we are meeting this lovely young lady. She is 28. She has consented to be on the video. She presented to me with Xanthelasma, bilateral Xanthelasma or Xanthelasma on both sides at the top of her both eyelids. And that was her main concern. She comes from a far city, which is about 40 miles away around, isn't it? Yeah. Takes about an hour to get here. And now she couldn't find anything there in the city that she lives. So she contacted us, and then she had a consultation, and then she had the treatment for one of us Xanthelasma on the right side. And today she is, how many days since your treatment last treatment?
It was 4 weeks ago.
4 weeks ago.
Yeah.
So it was done with the laser, and the result is very crisp and is almost healed, and the area is still a little bit pink. Now, Xanthelasma happened as a result of raised cholesterol in the blood. If you got Xanthelasma, you must get it checked by your GP. Please ensure that your cholesterol is near normal or normal, and doing lots of cardio exercises, keeping the body slim, all those things help. Avoiding red meat and eating more of fruits and vegetables and lots of cardio exercises, all those things help reducing your cholesterol. Of course, smoking is one of the major causes for development of either raised cholesterol or Xanthelasma, etc. I would not go in details about that, but let me ask this young lady. She likes to be called Kat. Kat, you tell the viewers who are watching this video your overall experience from the beginning, from the point of contacting us, and then the aftercare, the treatment, the aftercare, and now today. What would you like to tell the viewers?
So I contacted the clinic a few months ago. They were really helpful. I got a phone call back within the hour to book a face-to-face consultation. I came to meet Dr. Jha, who informed me that he could do the surgery to remove the Xanthelasma, and I was booked in for the appointment within about, I think, 3 weeks at my request. They could have done it earlier, but I needed to delay. And I came back for my appointment, and the whole process took less than an hour. That included filling out all the paperwork, all the consent forms, and actually having the procedure done. That was a month ago, and yeah, it's healed really well. Throughout the healing process, you get daily follow-ups through the WhatsApp, which is great. It was really reassuring when I had a couple of questions. Dr. Jha answered almost immediately and put those kind of concerns that I might have had, if they were normal, put them to rest. And yeah, I am back today for my second, which I am really excited about because I'm really happy with the results so far.
Thank you, Kat. Thank you.